Bachata! Yes! Bachata box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachata. Gin win, pin win, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw an umbrella. Draw a huge semicircle at the center. Create any patterns inside the umbrella design. We have chosen repeated wide lines. Now create a pointed tip at the center top of the umbrella. Replicate a letter J design, which is the umbrella's long handle. Color. Fill it in with your favorite colors. During monsoons, keep yourself dry by carrying an umbrella. Umbrellas meant for blocking the sun are called parasols. Great work! Show your umbrella to friends and family.
Stay tuned to Bachata box. Happy hours for kids.